I'm not making any fun, guys. It's just it's common. It's a common facial expression. Is it safe to be here in the evenings or in the nights? Please like, subscribe, and share. Hey, what's up, my beautiful people? How are you guys doing? A beautiful good morning to you from Palmentuin, Suriname. It's Greg coming to you with another vlog on a beautiful Saturday morning. A sunny 30 degrees Celsius hot Saturday morning. But it's beautiful weather, guys. Beautiful. It's been raining quite a lot for the past few days. A lot of places are flooding again. We're hoping for the best, guys. I see around the world right now there's a lot of flooding going on. Very sad, guys, but let's hope for the best. Let's hope for the best. You know, guys, I usually bring you these cooking shows. Well, I won't say celebrity cooking shows or professional cooking shows or state-of-the-art cooking shows. It's me showing you what I love to do, my hobby. I'm not a professional chef, guys. I wish I was. I should have become one. Circumstances probably made me not achieve that dream. But it's just me showing you what I've learned from my mom, what my mom learned from her mom, and what we have in Suriname. Different dishes I can cook for you. Cooking is always going to be my hobby after music. So besides bringing you those kinds of videos, and also showing you places where you can dine out, dinner, lunch, brunch, where you can go to different restaurants, I also love to bring to you different parts and places, areas in Suriname that you can see. You know, for tourists coming from anywhere around the world, or even for us living here in Suriname, for people living here in Suriname, you can have an idea where you can go. I've had people say to me in Suriname, you know, Greg, I've never known that place existed until I saw it on your video. That's a good thing, right? That's the purpose of my videos, to show you bits and pieces of Palmentuin, Suriname. Yeah, I know, guys, I like to use my hands like this when I'm talking. It's kind of a habit. Well, it's better than pointing like this, because sometimes I don't think pointing is appropriate. Yeah, different people use different expressions when they're talking. I guess I'm like this all the time. I know in the Philippines, and why I'm saying the Philippines all the time, because my fiance is from the Philippines and I have extended family in the Philippines. So I know in the Philippines they always use facial expressions, you know, like they're pointing to something, they won't use their fingers, they'll use their lips, like there, right there. I'm not making any fun, guys. It's just it's common. It's a common facial expression. Anyway, as I was saying, yes, there's another part here nestled right in Palmentuin, and I would love to show you guys. Now, I don't know if it's an attractive site. I mean, there's nothing attractive about it, but it's a place where you can come, you can relax, you can take a break, you can have a picnic. I know when they have national holidays and they have cultural shows here, a lot of events are held here. And I've just saw a lot of tourists walking around here just a while ago. So you guys check it for yourself and tell me and judge for yourself what you will call this place. Alright, let me show you guys. For those who know what I'm talking about or where I'm talking about, yes, guys, you're correct. It's the Palmentuin or Palm Gardens. Yep, there it is. I don't think there's anything special about this place other than it's a congestion of palm trees together and makes it into a beautiful garden. And it's a site for tourists. If you go down this road, down that way, we have going towards the Combi market. That's the income tax department. And if we're going towards that way, That's towards the President's Palace. That's the courthouse. That's towards the city. We're going towards the Independence Square. And right between the courthouse and the Income Tax Department, you can find this congestion of palm trees called the Palm Garden. Okay, let's go inside and see what's so special about this place. There you go, that's the name, Palmentuin. Yeah, and there's some trees that fell down there. I guess that's because of the rain that came a few days ago. We had lots of rain, man, lots of rain. I guess those trees fell down. This is it, guys. This is the Palm Garden. At one end, this place was a popular site. People used to come in the scores to camp out here, picnic here. You see, you have all those benches, so when the sun is hot, you can come, you can chill right here, bring your kids, you can picnic, you can go walk around. See all the trees. Like I said, when they have cultural events, holidays, they will hold shows here, festive activities. Yeah, there's a big rock here. I remember quite a while ago, years ago, they had the Carifesta was held here. A part of the show was held here, Carifesta. Man, when they have these events held here, this place is transformed. So it goes from one street to the other street, to the other street, to the other street. That's the courthouse behind there. As you guys can see, there's some tourists here. Like I said, I am kind of surprised. It's well kept. It's not that in a deplorable state. It needs some more attention, maintenance attention, but for the large part, it's pretty well kept. That's a statue. And this is another statue. Yup. And if you go towards this direction, you have a pond here. I don't think there's any fish in the pond. Look, there's some more tourists over there. There's some more tourists at the bottom there. That's a kind of an indoor podium where they have music bands. You have a tent over there. Yeah, guys, so congestion of palm trees. I don't think you can find this anywhere else in Palmarbo. So you guys can check it out for tourists coming here. For those living here in Suriname who never came to this place before, alright, this is your chance to come here. And here you have a playground. See, you can even bring your kids, set them loose in that playground, and they're gonna have fun. This is another outdoor podium where they have the cultural shows. And last Monday we had a holiday here in Suriname, day of our Maran brothers and sisters, and they had a big celebration here. And I just went home and I fell asleep, and I wasn't able to come back to film it. Yeah, you have the playground right here, guys. See? Oh, from this look at the view. It's a bit cloudy at the moment. If you go this direction, we're going towards Torarica, towards the Remember the video on the Fort Zeelandia. It's it's going towards a direction. I think those are some toilets over there. Not so sure. So if I walk out here, I'm gonna come to the other end of the Palmentuin, the palm gardens. Some kind of painting, sculpture. It's beautiful. See, over there is the prison. Remember I did a vlog on the Fort Zeelandia? That's the prison over there. An old prison. That's going towards the Independence Square. That's the President's office. And that's Royal Tararica, going towards Tararica that way. So we're gonna go back this way. And I know your question that you're gonna ask me. Is it safe to be here in the evenings or in the nights? Even though they have lights all over, I won't advise it, or I won't even come here myself during the nights. I don't think I'll take the chance. Every country you go in the world, I don't think you can say it's very safe, like safe. You're gonna always have to have a third eye. You're gonna always have to be observant, even for Suriname too. I mean, every country has its pros and its cons, its good and its bad. And even though nothing might not happen to you, I don't think you'll be wise enough to want to come here in the evening by yourself. Now, if you're coming with a group of people, or if there is an occasion here, like an event, then yeah, it might be safe. But to be here by yourself, I won't advise it. I won't advise it, guys. During the day, it's perfectly fine. And even then, you still have to be careful, right? Beautiful, huh? You know me, guys, I always love nature. I'm a big fan of nature. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. This Palmentuin, this is it from the outside. I wish I was the director of tourism and culture. There's so much I can do for my country. See, it goes all the way to the end there. And from this angle, this is what you see. Next there is a place called Wakapasi. So this is the other end. And it goes all the way out to the across from Tararica, like I just mentioned. And look, there are more tourists coming in again. So there's quite a few tourists in here today. Guys, I'm from this direction. This is what Palmentuin looks like. So you see, it goes all the way over there and it comes all the way back here. Yep, so this is it. Oh, look at this tamarind tree, guys. Look at the size of this tamarind tree. Look, there's some tamarinds there too. Right there you can see some tamarinds. Oh, look right there. Tamarind there. There's lots of the tree. Man, that's a huge tree. Look at that tree. Whew. If I stand next to the tree, that's where I am. If you can see, that's where I am on the tree. Man, it's a huge, humongous tree. Wow. You can, if you pick a tamarind leaves, it's very nice to chew. You have a sour taste to it. Mhm. That's an almond tree over there. A young almond tree. Look at this palm tree. Ooh, thing is tall, man. Look at the birds in there. If I go too close, they may fly away. Oops, one flew away. Birdie, birdie, birdie. Flew away, flew away. So guys, that's the palm garden. That's Palmentuin. I know a lot of tourists come here. And I know a lot of people come here. Back in the days, this was a popular site. I wish I can see people coming here lots again. And like I said to you guys, I want to advise you to come in the evenings. Just during the day, you can come picnic, relax, rest, check it out. So that's it, guys. Thank you once again for joining me on this vlog. Don't forget to give this vlog a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. And thank you for your support always. Until the next time, until the next vlog. God bless you. Bye for now.